The wings of a plane are static. They don't flap like a bird. So how do they carry a plane, let alone fly across continents? A flying plane experiences four forces: lift, thrust, weight, and drag. The most important force to lift up a plane here is lift. Lift is the upward force to push the plane up and is needed to counter the downward force, weight, which means the lift has to be stronger than the weight. A commercial plane can weigh up to 575,000 kilograms. So how does the plane get more lift than that? This is the cross-section of a plane's wing. Notice that the upper surface is curved while lower surface is flat. This shape is known as an airfoil. When the wing cuts through air, the air flowing on top will be faster than the air below. Faster air creates lower pressure, so now we have a pressure difference on both sides of the wing. Higher pressure below the wing will push the wing upwards and hence creating lift. But why does air flow faster through a curved surface? When the wing cuts through still air, the air below can pass through normally, but the air on top has to bunch together since it is following the curved shape. The narrower flow constricts the air and makes it move faster, just like water flowing through a hose. The thinner the hose, the faster the flow. A plane being able to fly for hours just by bending air sounds fake, but air pressure creates more lift than you think. The rear wing of an F1 car is like the wings of a plane, just upside down. So instead of lift, it generates downforce. This wing can generate about 500 to 750 kilograms of downforce at high speeds. The wings of an Airbus 380 is over 1,000 times bigger than the wing of an F1 car. So yes, it generates a lot of lift, and the key here is having a very large surface area. But it can generate more than that. The wing is also slanted to produce even more lift. How much the wing is slanted is called the angle of attack. When air hits the slanted part of the bottom wing, it deflects downwards and pushes the wings up. Try putting your hand out of a moving car. Tilt downwards and your hand will be pushed up. Tilt upwards and your hand will be pushed down. This is basically what the angle of attack is doing to the wings. If everything is helping the plane fly upwards, how does it fly flat or land? The little flaps behind are called elevators. They can tilt up or down. Tilting down will push the tail of the plane up, like how it did to our hands. The tail of the plane going up means the nose goes down, and now the angle of attack is decreased to generate less lift. The elevator can be controlled to fly the plane up, down, or flat. Bye.